Vitamin B12 powers your energy, brain, and blood, but most people don't even know they're deficient. In this video, we'll cover what B12 does, signs of deficiency, and how to fix it through food and supplements. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a key role in brain function, nerve health, and the production of red blood cells and DNA. But here's the catch: your body cannot produce B12 on its own. It must come from your diet or supplements. B12 is like the behind-the-scenes worker your body depends on for major tasks. It helps make red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout your body, keeps your brain sharp and nervous system functioning smoothly, supports energy metabolism. That's why deficiency often causes fatigue, helps prevent anemia, mood swings, and even memory issues. Vitamin B12 deficiency can sneak up on you. Here are the most common symptoms: constant fatigue even after rest, tingling or numbness in hands and feet, memory problems or brain fog, pale or yellowish skin, mood changes, even depression or anxiety, mouth ulcers or a swollen tongue. And in severe cases, it can even cause nerve damage or balance issues. Let's fix it, starting with what you eat. Non-vegetarian sources: liver and organ meats, fish like salmon, sardines, and tuna, chicken, mutton, and eggs. Vegetarian sources: plant foods don't naturally contain B12, so vegetarians need to rely on fortified foods like breakfast cereals, plant-based milk, dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt. If you're not getting enough from food, or if your body struggles to absorb B12 due to age, digestive issues, or medications, you might need a supplement. Tablets or capsules, easy and effective for most people. Sublingual drops or sprays, faster absorption under the tongue. Injections, for severe deficiencies under medical supervision. Most adults need about 2.4 micrograms a day, but your doctor might suggest a higher dose if you're deficient. Who is at risk of deficiency? Vegetarians and vegans, people over 50, those with digestive disorders like Crohn's or celiac, people on acid-reducing medications, individuals who've had bariatric surgery. Get your B12 levels tested at least once a year if you're at risk. Don't ignore symptoms like fatigue or tingling. Balance your plate with B12-rich foods. Supplements are safe and effective. Don't be afraid to use them when needed. Vitamin B12 might be small, but it plays a huge role in how you feel every single day. So don't let deficiency drag you down. Fuel your body, feed your mind, and keep your energy high. Like this video, hit subscribe for more health tips that actually make sense. And drop a comment if you've ever dealt with B12 deficiency. We'd love to hear your experience.